love. Love is ano, it's a surprise. You'll never know pala na. Ano ba yun? Nandyan.
I wanna live like this forever until the sky falls down on me.
Nung nakilala ko siya, pati yung pamilya niya, sobrang nakita ko kung gaano kahalaga yung family. Doon ko talaga na-realize na dapat talaga magpakasal na ako. Although, dream ko naman talagang ikasal. Hindi ko lang talaga in-expect na itong panahon na to. Medyo late na nga rin, pero at least ito na.
I'll be a dream, I'll be a wish.
Is it important yung hinandaan nyo ngayon dito sa napakagandang nagba-viral na lugar na to, sa mga lifestyle magazines? Ito ba importante itong venue na to, sa reception nyo? Of course. Why? Maybe this is our way of reciprocating the kindness na ibinigay sa atin ng mga mahal ng bisita na salamat po sa pagdalo nyo, pagdamutan nyo po yung konti namin na kaya nandito, at kaya po kayo narito kasi po, kayo yung mga pinaka-importanting tao sa panibagong buhay na bubuuin namin dalawa.
I wanna stand with you on a mountain. I wanna bathe with you in the sea. I wanna lay like this forever until the sky falls down on me.
Maging masaya lang. And mag-build talaga ng memory. Ito talaga yung pinaka-start. Hindi man namin ina-expect talaga kasi church wedding una namin napag-usapan, pero ito na yun. Yung mag-build talaga ng memory. Ng masasayang memory.
By the comfort and protection of the highest powers of lonely hours, the tears devour you.
Kiss mo dito. Kiss dito. Uy.
I wanna stand with you on a mountain. I wanna bathe with you in the sea. I wanna lay like this forever until the sky falls down on me. 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 I wanna stand with you on a mountain. I wanna bathe with you in the sea. I wanna live like this.
Gusto na mag-settle dahil mahal ko yung tao. Sa totoo lang, walang dahilan para sa akin. Basta naramdaman ko lang siya na gusto ko na siyang makasama for the rest of my life. Yun lang. Wala na akong ibang dahilan, sa totoo lang.
Can't count the years on one hand now.
Laging lolo ka, sabi niya. Nung nakakita yung parang angel. Oh.
Lipat ka nga.
Nahati katawan.
Make you feel better.
Love conquers all. At saka love is, ano ba? Basta love is there. We're not the usual, not the usual love story na yung normal. Kami, ano yun, inano natin lahat yung, not the normal, basta lahat kami, everything is not the usual na.
This is a special contract of permanent union between man and woman. And if you say permanent, mali si TikTok, mali si Facebook. Ang lagi nilang sinasabi, walang forever. Ang sabi ng batas, permanent. May mas po forever pa ba sa salitang permanent? Wala na po. Kailan lang mawawala sa inyong epekto ng kontratang pipirmahan nyo ngayon? Pag nakalimutan nyo na, hindi nga.
Sobrang open-minded ni Ira. Konting paliwanag lang, okay na lahat. Actually, di ko na kailangan ipaliwanag. Alam niya na mismo yun.
For as long as you breathe, for as long as you live, this contract of marriage shall remain for the rest of your lives.
Something's just makes sense. And one of those is you and I. Something's just makes sense. And even after all this time, I'm into you. I'm into
Gino, you may now kiss the bride.
I should be over all the butterflies, but I'm into you. Let 'em wonder how we got this far, 'cause I don't really need to wonder at all. Yeah, after all this time, I'm still into you.